Hi, so this is okra, absolutely glorious flower, wonderful vegetable. We were introduced to this vegetable in Tanzania, never eaten it all my life in South Africa. It's now becoming available in some of the shops. Wasn't You couldn't buy it anywhere 15 years ago. A really fantastic vegetable, very healthy. Here's the fruit over here. Unfortunately, this one is actually too old. It's actually very hard. I'm not quite sure. You actually want to pick them when they're quite tender. And yeah, just have a look here. Yeah, so okra, like most vegetables, they like to be picked. If you don't pick them, they will actually go to seed and you'll get very little crop from them. So here's one. This is about the right size to pick it. Fortunately, yeah, that's about to see. It's soft and tender. It's got a nice blend. Um, yeah, you'll see here's smaller ones. You can even pick them when they're this small. So they will grow up and they actually get to quite a big plant. They'll just carry on growing up, and the okras will come out all the way up, and you just keep on picking, and you'll get quite a few months of harvest from them. And yeah, we'll go inside, and I'll just show you how to cook them. They are Not everybody likes them. They've got a bit of a slimish texture to them when they're cooked, but there's a key to cooking them that we find really works very well. Okay, guys, so yeah, we got the okra. We cut up some onion from Luke's onion patch, nice and fresh. So that's frying. Um, you just cut the little tips of the okra off, and then we cut it into rings. The tips kind of get a little bit chewy, so they're not that pleasant when you eat the okra with them in. So yeah, there's your okras ready. We like to not to overcook it. So just don't let the onion shouldn't actually go glassy. Should be just nice. And this, when you look at this okra, it's very hard. So this is really the size you want. So when you buy them in the shop, you must actually squeeze them and feel them. If they're hard, don't buy them, because they become very fibrous along here, and they don't actually they're actually not that nice to eat, and people won't like it. So yeah, that's kind of what it looks like inside. The nice thing about the okra is you can let this go to seed, so you can leave a few of them on and let them go to seed. They will split open, so just before they split open, you will harvest them, put them in a paper packet, and that's your seed for next year, for next season. Heirloom, you don't get any genetically modified or anything like that, so you know that all okra that you buy is totally safe. So yeah, once we've got the onion going, and we'll throw in the tomatoes. Yeah. These are tomatoes from Madeleine's garden. So yeah, Madeleine, thank you. She gave them to us yesterday when we went to her church. And yeah, it's a nice fresh tomatoes, organically grown. And you can flavor this how you like. Normally we don't make it too fancy, just a little bit of salt and herbal salt or whatever you like. And and of course garlic is also very nice to put in. So you just make it as you like and how your family likes to flavor it. Now the okra, you will kind of wait until you've got this into a bit of a sauce. Okay, so our tomato and onion sauce is ready. Now, as I mentioned to you, not everybody likes okra because of its slimy context. So what we will do is we will just take some of the sauce off for those family members that don't like the okra. It's got a pleasant flavor, it's just the sliminess that a lot of people don't seem to like. So once your tomato and onion is ready, you pop your okra in, and you really will only cook this for 2 or 3 minutes. And then I always like to add the garlic in when I cook, right at the end, so you keep most of the benefits of it. Obviously fresh garlic is still the best, but just before it gets comes off the stove, I like to just add it in. You can actually start seeing, if you look carefully, you can actually see the little strings starting to form. See, it's getting like a little bit stringy there, and that's the consistency of the okra. And you can actually see how it's kind of like sticks together. And we'll give that not more than a minute. I would say 1 more minute and it's ready to serve. So yeah, that's okra. If you haven't done it, try it, grow it and enjoy it. It's an excellent healthy food to add into your menu. Have a great day.